And now for our final qualification to be called as a luxurious condominium, of course, and the most obvious one is the price. So, how much this unit costs? Hi, it's Isa from the SpacePad. Do you ever wonder what it is like to be in a luxurious condominium? If you want to know, please stay tuned to the video. Most developers nowadays throwing the term luxury into their projects left and right to ride the wave of demand. It's about time to determine what really makes a property luxurious. Even though luxurious can be subjective at times, there are at least minimum requirements to make it to the list. And today, join me as we check out this most luxurious residential tower. Together with us today is Ms. Nicole. She is a broker coordinator here in Ortigas Land. So one of the criteria po, diba, ng being a luxury condominium is the most notable or parang mas obvious one is it can be seen through its spaces. So ilang bedroom type po yung The Galleon?
So, units offered for the Galleon is we have our spacious 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and penthouse units. So, what do you mean by spacious? For the 1-bedroom, our cut there is 69 to 74 square meters. And then for the bedroom area of our 2-bedroom is 104 to 116 square meters. So that is quite larger than the regular units.
Sobrang luxurious side talaga siya.
Alright, so upon entering, our security door this is a key card system. And then upon entering, we have our own video phone intercom. So, pwede natin makita yung outside our unit and also the lobby. So, one of the highlight features of the Galleon is it is a smart living features.
What is a smart home? Imagine controlling your light switch, room temperature, and your other appliances using a smartphone at your hand. Convenient, right?
And then upon entering on our 2-bedroom, this is a U-shaped kitchen, and we're on upper scale finishes. So what do you mean by upper scale? So for the tiles of the common area, this is porcelain tiles, and then for the countertop, this is a quartz stone countertop, and the high gloss finish for our base and head cabinet. Now for our base and head cabinets, this is a soft closing mechanism, provision for our stove, big as this one, provision for the range hood, and provision for the microwave. So task lights, as you can see here, this is also inclusive upon turnover. And then for this one, we have provision for a 2-door fridge. Now, for our maid's room, which is quite large for a regular maid's room, the buyer has the option to convert this into a den or an office room.
That's what I observed, no, na parang sa regular condominium, ayan na yung usual nilang cut or sa mga smaller talaga na.
Yes, so
pero dito, it is offered maid's room.
With the utility area.
Yeah, may provision talaga siya. Ayan. Yes, this is not your regular compact condo. It has a floor-to-ceiling height of around 2.7 meters, fitted with double-glazed soundproof ceiling, and for master's bedroom, engineered woods are used for maximum durability and for aesthetics.
And then this model unit, our corner unit, this is actually the corner unit. So, etong window na to, this is a floor-to-ceiling glass window with overlooking of the Ortigas Center or the Metropolis.
So, sobrang ganda ng view it means. And yung provision niya na makakasave din siya sa electricity kasi open diba?
Open siya. So, natural
lighting talaga.
And then, this is our walk-in closet. This is a high-gloss finish. And kasama na rin yung task lights inside our walk-in closet.
So, yun yung isa rin sa standards, no, of a luxurious condominium. It is reflected through its finishes. And as you can see and tell talaga.
Above home standard.
Yeah, above home standard. And hotel-like nga yung ano niya feels. So,
now, for our bathroom. Our bathroom are inclusive of the built-in bench since we are more focused on the wellness side. Adult kasi, mga adults usually prefer the nakaupo while taking a shower. So this is all inclusive upon turnover, and also the full glass shower enclosure kasama na siya. Now for the lavatory, we have the his and hers lavatory. And the window.
Sobrang hindi siya normal to a condominium kasi usually mga small openings lang talaga to ano eh.
Ito na yung makikita natin sa mga hotel.
Yeah.
For our common bathroom, this is porcelain tiles. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo, yan na mismo siya. Inclusive of everything except for the accessories.
Yeah. Kahit na common, no? Parang sobrang...
Common bathroom pero naka-porcelain tiles.
Porcelain tiles, tsaka grabe, pang masters na usually yung mga ganitong ano, pero... What are the amenities? So there are an outdoor swimming pool, garden lounge, game room, mini theater, and also a daycare center. They designed it with hotel-like finishes using high-grade materials. Luxury properties should be in the most prime locations, and this is in the middle of Ortigas Center. Train stations and main roads are easily accessible. Lastly, surrounded by well-known schools, hospitals, and shopping malls. And now for our final qualification to be called as a luxurious condominium, of course, and the most obvious one is the price. So, how much does unit cost?
For the galleon, as in general, the price per square meter in the galleon is 351,000 per square. And then for the pricing, this two-bedroom the area of this two-bedroom is around 104 to 112 square meters, and then price ranging from 41 to 50 million.
Residential condominiums are today new bywords for luxury living. Developers boldly promise a luxury lifestyle through their banners and billboards. However, just because it has a large price tag, it doesn't mean that it can be called prestige as well. So, if you are in the market for a condominium, know that some make better homes and investment than others. It is important to look at the location, developer's history, and attention to detail that's put into each unit. Only a select few can deliver to its promise, not only with the development but also with the premier service and limited exclusivity. Fortunately, there is no shortage of such luxury projects here in the Philippines. Click this video on the right to see other properties that we covered.